Why don't eggs tell each other jokes? Because they might crack up. Welcome to our kitchen, where food and fun are always on the menu. Today we're diving into the world of lemon herb roasted chicken. This dish, bursting with flavor and aroma, is a crowd pleaser for any occasion. Whether it's a family dinner or a special celebration, this recipe is sure to impress. Stay tuned as we walk you through the process of creating this delightful dish. Before we jump into the process, let's gather all the ingredients we need. First on our list is, of course, the star of the show, a whole chicken. We'll need one that's about 3 to 4 pounds, fresh and organic if you can find it. The chicken is not just a protein powerhouse, but also a great source of vitamins and minerals. It's a lean meat that helps maintain muscle mass and boosts metabolism. Next up, we have the lemon. We'll need one big lemon for this recipe. And not just any lemon, but a ripe, juicy one that's full of zest. The lemon will add a tangy flavor that complements the chicken perfectly. Plus, lemons are packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and keeps your skin glowing. Now let's talk about herbs. We'll need fresh rosemary and thyme. These herbs are not just for taste, they also come with their own set of health benefits. Rosemary helps improve digestion and has anti-inflammatory compounds, while thyme is known for its antibacterial properties. We'll also need some good quality olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that helps lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. It's also full of antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory benefits. Garlic is another key ingredient. We'll need about 6 cloves of garlic. Garlic is known for its health benefits, including boosting the immune system, reducing blood pressure, and even improving bone health. Salt and black pepper will be used for seasoning. While they may seem simple, they're crucial for bringing out the flavor of our chicken. And let's not forget, black pepper aids digestion and has antioxidant properties, while salt helps balance fluids in the body. Lastly, you'll need some chicken broth. This will keep our chicken moist and add an extra layer of flavor. Chicken broth is also great for gut health and boosts healing. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to prepping our chicken. Our chicken is the star of the show, so let's make sure it's treated like one. When it comes to preparing our chicken, cleanliness is paramount. We'll start by giving our star a good rinse under cold running water. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, isn't this chicken already cleaned? Well, it's always better to be safe than sorry. This step ensures that any residual feathers or debris are thoroughly washed away. Once our chicken is squeaky clean, it's time to pat it dry. Using a clean kitchen towel or paper towels, gently pat the chicken until it's dry. This step is crucial for achieving that golden, crispy skin that we all crave. Remember, moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Now for the fun part, seasoning our star performer. We'll begin by generously salting the chicken inside and out. Salt is a flavor enhancer, so it's important not to skimp on this step. Next, we'll rub it with a blend of aromatic herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano. These herbs will give our chicken a distinctive, mouth-watering flavor that's sure to impress. But wait, we're not done yet. It's time to introduce our second lead, the lemon. We'll cut a fresh lemon in half, squeeze the juice all over our chicken, and then stuff the squeezed halves into the cavity. This will give our chicken a zesty, tangy twist that pairs perfectly with our herb blend. And before we forget, let's take a quick moment to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your interaction helps us keep creating delicious content like this. Now with our chicken lavishly seasoned, we'll truss it. Trussing helps the chicken cook evenly, and it also makes for a more visually pleasing roast. Simply tie the legs together with kitchen twine and tuck the wings under the body. With our chicken ready to take center stage, it's time to heat things up. Let's preheat our oven and get ready for the roasting magic to happen. But remember, the best is yet to come, so stay tuned. And don't forget to check the description box for our recommended health products. Our oven is the stage, and it needs to be set just right. Preheating the oven is a crucial step in roasting the perfect chicken. Set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for a slow, even roast. This allows the chicken to cook thoroughly while maintaining its juicy goodness. Now hit that preheat button and let's get this show on the road. While our oven is warming up, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Now, it's time to let the magic happen. As we embark on our roasting journey, bear in mind that patience is key. The process of roasting is where our chicken transforms into a tender, juicy delight, infused with the aromatic flavors of lemon and herbs. Let's start by positioning our chicken in the preheated oven. The ideal temperature for roasting is around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures our chicken cooks evenly, from the inside out without burning the skin. Now, how long should we roast our chicken? A good rule of thumb is about 20 minutes per pound, but the exact time can vary depending on the size of your chicken. So, for a 4-pound chicken, we're looking at approximately an hour and 20 minutes. To ensure even roasting, it's crucial to baste our chicken every 20 to 30 minutes. Basting involves spooning the juices that have collected at the bottom of the roasting pan back over the chicken. This not only helps the chicken to cook evenly, but it also keeps the skin crispy and flavorful. It's important to note that the color of the skin isn't always the best indicator of doneness. To ensure our chicken is fully cooked, we can insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken, but not touching the bone, and it should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. As we keep a watchful eye on our roasting chicken, let's also take a moment to appreciate the mouth-watering aroma filling our kitchen. The scent of roasting chicken mingled with lemon and herbs is truly a feast for the senses. Remember, the secret to a perfect roast chicken lies in the balance between heat, time, and moisture. With a little bit of patience, we'll soon be rewarded with a succulent, flavor-packed centerpiece for our table. While we wait for our chicken to roast, let's prepare our side dish. A great main course deserves an equally great side dish. Now that we've got our lemon herb roasted chicken roasting away in the oven, let's turn our attention to a side dish that will perfectly complement our main course. How about a simple, yet exquisite roasted vegetable medley? The natural sweetness of the vegetables when roasted pairs beautifully with the citrusy, herbaceous flavors of our chicken. Let's start with choosing our vegetables. For a vibrant, colorful medley, we're going to use a mix of bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, zucchini, and red onion. But remember, you can always pick and choose your favorites or what's in season. The key is to cut them into similar sizes for even roasting. Next, we'll toss these freshly cut vegetables in a mixture of olive oil, minced garlic, a sprinkling of salt, a crack of fresh pepper, and a handful of fresh herbs. You can use thyme, rosemary, or even the same herbs you used for your chicken to tie the flavors together. Once the vegetables are evenly coated, spread them out on a baking sheet. Make sure they have their own space. Crowding the pan can lead to steaming rather than roasting, and we want those crispy caramelized edges. Slide the tray into the oven, right under our roasting chicken. This is where the magic happens. The heat of the oven will transform these humble vegetables into a symphony of flavors, colors, and textures. While our vegetables are roasting and soaking up all that lovely flavor, let's take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and beauty of this dish. The vibrant colors of the vegetables, the aroma of the herbs, the sizzle of the roasting process. It's all part of the cooking experience. Time to take out our roasted vegetables. Look at the beautiful colors and caramelization. They're tender, flavorful, and the perfect accompaniment to our lemon herb roasted chicken. Our side dish is ready and our chicken is almost done. Let's check on it. The moment of truth has arrived. Let's see how our chicken is doing. It's time to unveil the masterpiece. But before we do, let's ensure it's cooked to perfection. The signs to look out for are clear. Firstly, juices should be running clear when the thickest part of the chicken, usually the thigh, is pierced. Secondly, the leg should wiggle freely. If you're still unsure, the ultimate test is to use a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the chicken without touching the bone. The magic number you're looking for is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the safe internal temperature for both white meat and dark meat. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Undercooked chicken can lead to foodborne illnesses, while overcooked chicken can be dry and tough. So take the time to check it thoroughly. Looks like our chicken is ready. Let's get it out of the oven. The aroma of our lemon herb roasted chicken is filling the kitchen. It's time to plate up. Ah, the anticipation. The golden, crispy skin of the chicken, the bright colors of our side dish, the tantalizing scent of lemon and herbs. It's a feast for the senses, my friends, and we're just getting started. Presentation is key, not just for the wow factor, but also because we eat with our eyes first. A well-presented dish can enhance the overall dining experience and make the food even more enjoyable. So, let's get to it. First, let's talk about the chicken. Our beautifully roasted bird should be the star of the show, so we'll place it in the center of a large serving platter. Give it the stage it deserves. Next, the side dish. Whether it's a colorful salad, roasted vegetables, or fluffy mashed potatoes, arrange it around the chicken. This creates a lovely contrast and adds to the visual appeal of the dish. Remember, we're creating a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. And speaking of palate, a little garnish can go a long way. A sprinkle of freshly chopped herbs, a few lemon slices, or even a drizzle of sauce can add a pop of color and a boost of flavor. Now, for the important part, serving. Ensure you have a sharp knife and a sturdy fork to carve the chicken. Start by removing the legs and thighs, then move on to the breasts. Remember, it's not a race. Take your time. Carving a chicken can be a bit tricky, but with a little practice, you'll get the hang of it. And there you have it, a perfectly roasted lemon herb chicken, served with love and a side dish of your choice. It's a sight to behold, isn't it? But we're not done yet. Before we take a bite, remember to check the description box for our recommended health products. Yes, we believe in enjoying food, but we also believe in nurturing our health. So take a moment to explore those links and then let's dig in. Now for the best part, the taste test. As the first bite is taken, let's dive into the flavors that are meeting the palate. Imagine a juicy, succulent chicken that's been perfectly roasted to a golden perfection, the crispy skin giving way to tender, moist meat beneath. But that's not all. The real stars of the show are the lemon and herbs. The tangy zing of the lemon brightens up the savory chicken, cutting through the richness and adding a refreshing twist. The herbs, oh the herbs. They have worked their magic, infusing every bite with their aromatic goodness. You can taste the earthiness of the rosemary, the slight peppery notes of the thyme, and the sweet, subtle hint of the basil. Together, these flavors create a symphony in your mouth, a melody that sings of home-cooked comfort and culinary delight. So that's our lemon herb roasted chicken. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for cooking with us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our kitchen again soon.